When stars align, the best things happen, Lady says as Presh and David dazzle in new photos. David and Preshtalker are still increasing their vibes ever since the season 1 of the Ultimate Love reality TV show ended. Recall they were known as Preshdavid in the show. The entertainment couple is still dishing it hot for their fans with positive energy and stunning new photos to remain among the housemates that are still trending. In actualizing that, our lovebirds took to their respective Instagram accounts and dropped gorgeous new photos that showed how a man should treat a woman. In the photos David and Presh shared recently, David was seen kneeling and assisting his woman with her shoes. Presh, at the other hand, was seen dressed in an amazing yellow and black outfit. The above act exhibited by David shows he is indeed a husband material and also a man that can support his wife in all aspects of life, despite all odds. The photos David and Presh shared so far attracted so many comments and likes. Their fans were in the opinion that David should not allow Pet Edochie to catch them. This is because Pet Edochie recently slammed men who kneels before their lady. Instagram user identified as Exteamed said that David and Presh are stars, and when stars align, things are expected to happen. Okay guys, this is the gist I have for you today on Preshdavid. I hope you enjoyed. Please leave a comment in the section below. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe and also hit on the bell icon to get new notifications when the story drops.